The PT-RQ35K has the world's most compact 3-chip DLP 4K projector body and includes game-changing features that streamline your workflow. With resolutions up to 4K and an expanded color gamut, image quality will captivate and inspire your audience. A refined cooling system guarantees stability in tough mission-critical conditions where image display must not be interrupted. Discover new possibilities for entertainment experiences from the world's smallest and lightest 30,000 lumen 3-chip DLP 4K projector. Despite its high brightness and image quality, this is the lightest 3-chip DLP 4K laser projector in its class. 2 people can easily handle its compact body. The RQ35K body is 40% smaller than the current RQ32K. Its footprint alone is 40% smaller than the RQ32K, almost equivalent to the RQ22K. Red and blue lasers with digital output modulation contribute to a color space 114% wider than the RQ32K with 91% DCI coverage. Color is vibrant while staying true to the source. Deep, accurate colors match what the artist sees. Vivid reds and truer blues help immerse viewers in the content creator's world. The projectors also feature our newly developed gradation smoother. This feature reduces banding and gradients of shaded color for smooth image reproduction. Three levels of image correction can be selected, perfect for last-minute adjustments when there's no time to re-edit the content. The RQ35K series offers more flexible black level adjustment than previous models. You can adjust black border shape using up to 17 control points for seamless edge blends, even when dark scenes are displayed. As demand for immersive high-brightness projection grows, so too has installation complexity. For every on-site hassle, from transport to operation, we add practical functions that streamline your workflow. Let's head to the site and take a closer look at these features. It's common to have to wait for 200 voltage power to roll out on site before setting up the projectors. Smart Projector Control application for iPhone and Android gives you a head start. The app can communicate with the RQ35K series using its NFC feature even when the projectors are unplugged. To set up, just place your smartphone on the projector's NFC touchpoint. You can now read and write certain projector settings, such as IP address, right from your phone. To use other functions, you need to connect the projector to the wireless network. Easy connection is accomplished with a QR code and our optional AJWM50 wireless module. Plug in the module and capture the QR code that appears on the projector's information monitor. SSID and password are transmitted wirelessly, saving you the trouble of manual connection. You can control projectors simultaneously from anywhere within range of the wireless network. The app supports lens adjustment and autofocus via your phone's camera and simplifies setting adjustment. Information Monitor displays projector status and also provides access to settings with the projector in standby. You don't have to project the on-screen menu whenever you want to check a setting. Input signal, operating temperature, and error codes are all visible at a glance. Information monitor expedites setup and supports faster recovery times. Upgrade kits for Geometry Manager Pro normally require activation with license keys. With the RQ35K series, they're pre-activated free of charge. Connect a camera to enable simultaneous adjustment of multiple screens. Multi-monitoring and control software version 3 adds a new remote preview function. Projectionists can check content on PC with the unit in standby or when the shutter is on. It's useful at events such as concerts, when setup time is limited. These and other functions solve many of the installation hassles commonly experienced by projectionists. With high brightness and color from the world's smallest 3-chip DLP 4K projector body, the PT-RQ35K makes streamlined workflow the secret of your success.